In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to set up AT&T AutoPay. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website AT&T. Provide your credentials and log into your account. After signing in, navigate to billing or bill and payment section of your account. Here you will see your current balance, payment history and available billing option. Look for the AutoPay option and select Enroll in AutoPay or Set Up AutoPay. Next, choose the payment method you would like to use. Depending on your account, you can usually pay with a bank account, debit card, or an eligible credit card. Enter your payment details carefully and review the information before continuing. You'll also be able to choose when your automatic payment is made. In most cases, AT&T will automatically withdraw the payment on or shortly before your monthly due date. Review the AutoPay terms and conditions, then confirm your enrollment. Once AutoPay has been successfully activated, you'll receive a confirmation on your screen and may also receive a confirmation email. Going forward, your monthly bill will be paid automatically using your selected payment method, provided there are sufficient funds or available credit. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.